ER token is a token that can be used as a media for promoting the business and that can be known and reached by people around the world. ER token comes by providing platform that is easy to use for everyone, provides fairness and security in transactions, and finds business partners in just one ER token platform. Okay, welcome back guys to another episode of Expert Studio. In this video, I will definitely share number of things regarding ER token right now. This token is available on HOMIX exchange in USDT pair. And right now you can see the main thing that about the volume is $160,091 till now. But I have much better deal for you. If you are going to watch this video till end, you are going to get how you can buy this token with number of bonus, and it is entirely very easy and it is not as much costly. You can buy this token only with $10. So before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of the major update. Okay, first of all, I will tell you the main things regarding ER token. What is ER token all about? What is the theme and what is the mission of ER token? Simple mission of ER token is basically ER token is a functional, ER token is useful, ER token is powerful, ER token is profitable, ER token the developer, ER token real and security, and ER token is basically long live. The main packages at this time they are offering is basically silver, gold, and diamond package. And here you can see the main things, the token details. It is basically an ERC20 token. The total supply is here in front of you, so you can read each and everything. But at this time the price is entirely low on the exchange, 0.002238. But if you are going to get this token directly from the private sale, you are going to get number of bonus from there, because very soon when they are going on the next exchange, the price will be around $0.1. So you will definitely get number of bonus and number of, you can say, profit. If you are going to invest only $100 in this project, you are going to get at least $700 $800 very easily. Now if you want to read something more regarding the project, you can read each and everything on the white paper. And if you want to contact the team, you can directly basically click over here on the contact, so you can easily message them from here. Here comes the roadmap of this platform. Okay, the first one is basically the concept and idea regarding the main thing is ER token, and then research, then white paper, then basically they started their community, and then airdrop, IEO, list exchange. And as I told you again and again that right now this token is available on HOMIX exchange in USDT pair, so you can easily check this one because I will share the link in the description. Now the major thing, how you can buy this token directly from the private sale, because at this time you all know that the token is available on the exchange. So why the thing is this, they are offering a simple thing that is basically the private sale. Now I will take you directly towards the Telegram group. Here comes the Telegram group of advertiser token, ER token. So here you can see the main things that right now basically, hello all, at the moment ER token has been listed at homix.com, but we need to list our token in other market and we need your participation to do that. We need an additional fee of $5,000, and we decided to private sell basically total of 3 million ER token at discount prices of 0.002 and 10% bonus. So the major thing is basically this, that right now if you are going to buy this token directly from the private sale, you are going to get the 10% bonus. So that is such a great thing, the 10% bonus from your purchase. We only accept Ethereum and USDT as payment. Don't miss this opportunity before we list on a large market. This offer is limited to only 3 million tokens to protect our investors. Please join our Telegram group and contact the admin to transact. Here you can see the major thing. Right now they have only 2.3 million basically ER token are left to offer. If you want to buy this token, first of all you have to join their Telegram group. After joining their Telegram group, you can see the major thing, the pinned message, and here comes the admin. If you want to buy this token directly from the public sale, the private sale, then you have to basically message the admin. First of all, here you can find out the original admin. Don't go for any type of scam or spam. you must have to see the pinned message first of all, and then you have to message directly towards the admin, and you can message you can directly message to the admin, and then they are going to send you the address. You have to send the Ethereum or USDT to that address, and then you are going to get 10% bonus on each buying. It is entirely very easy for you to buy this token directly from the private sale, because in the private sale you are going to get 10% bonus. Here I will tell you the major thing. For example, if you want to buy this token directly from the HOMIX exchange, here for example the price is 0.002238, but in the private sale you are going to get this token at 0.002 price, okay, the 0.002 USDT price, and also you are going to get 10% bonus. If you are going to buy this token directly from the exchange, you are not going to get any type of bonus. So that is such a great thing regarding this platform, that you have the chance to buy this token directly from the private sale at this time, because they are arranging some more money to list their token, ER token, on some more exchanges. So that is such a great thing regarding this platform. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button, and also you can basically ask whatever you want to ask from the team, because the team is available for you 24/7, and you can message them on LinkedIn, Twitter and Facebook, because they are there for you, and they will definitely assist you regarding the private sale and also regarding the platform ER token. So it is just the beginning. You have the chance at this time to make this big. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button. Thanks a lot.